Hello friends, today we are going to talk on very interesting topic, that is banking automation. Before that, let me introduce myself. I am Avinash Yevle, qualified engineer and marketing management. I have done my post graduation in marketing management. I have experience in banking field for last 17 and a half years and contributed in this banking automation process. I am going to share with you the interesting developments in banking automation. What is banking automation? Why banking automation required? How banking automation happened? What is the roadmap? There are a lot of things. So important point is why banks required automation. Let us look at this example. In early days, if I need money or I need to deposit cash, I have to travel to bank branch to do the activity, wait in a queue and travel during working hours. But today at even 12 o'clock midnight, I can go and withdraw cash or transfer funds or pay my bills on click of mouse. So automation definitely helps and it enhances our life. So third important topic, banking processes. So what are those banking processes? Banking is not only retail bank, but it's corporate banking, retail banking and cards and payments. Under retail banking, banks serve customers like you and me, that is consumer lending, online banking, mobility solutions. Corporate banking is a major chunk where banks finance various businesses, including trade finance, channel finance, transportation finance, corporate finance, housing finance, wealth management and so on. Risk and compliance is a very important topic because huge loans have been given by banks. Cards and payments. Today we use credit card, debit cards. So card and payments is also a big service which includes various aspects like rewards management, credit points, when we use ATM card or debit card, a debit card or credit card when we use, we get rewards. Transaction authorization. Today for online transaction you use a password, a 4-digit PIN. So that is transaction authorization. Card life cycle management. When the card is given to you and when the card is expiring, they need to manage so that if you are traveling and card expired, you might face a lot of problems. So card life cycle management is also a big process within banking system. Risk management, fraud management. So look at banking segment touch upon all aspects of individual to corporates. So from these banking segments, which are the services which need to automate? So which are those services where we need to migrate from counter to self-service terminal, which will be most effective? The automation cannot be across length and breadth. It will be very expensive and may not be cost effective. So which are different aspects which bank would like to touch upon, which may include payment orders, invoice settlement, passbook updates, account statements, loans, foreign exchange, check transactions, bank transfer, fund transfers, or new products like insurance, mutual funds, etc. So this slide gives you a complete picture of automation at bank branch and self-service terminal levels. So ATS at teller end, which I have just explained. Intelligent deposit, that is cash deposit. Few of the banks in India have started deploying this. Cash recycler will be way forward. ATMs and cash dispensers, which we have seen, and across India 1 lakh plus install base is already and growing fast. Interactive kiosk terminals and information terminals. The difference between these two is monofunctional and multifunctional. Payment systems, PCs and server basic. So these are the hardware portions, but they need solutions to drive them, software solutions. So there are retail banking solution suites which help to drive these systems and to keep these systems up and running you need services. So this slide give you a picture of automation process in a bank. Various options available for a bank, may not necessarily that bank will deploy all. It depends on the geography and customer expectations and services offered by bank.